My name's James and I
cut parts, glue them together, and I paint them.
This is Spoon37 Minis.
My channel is about building and painting tabletop miniatures, all using an eye-level camera like this. On the channel I'm hoping to show a mixture of painting my own miniatures like this one, as well as how-tos for beginners so that you too can paint your miniatures like this. I'm also going to show you how to craft, build and convert so that you can make your own terrain, scenic bases or conversions.
Right, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers so far. I'm hoping to keep a release schedule of about 2 videos a month, so thank you for watching.